How to build a T-intersection. This is the back side of a T for 10. Start on each side. Now we're building down a concrete wall, and this is an 8-inch concrete wall going that way, and an 8-inch concrete wall going this way. Here's the only tricky part, is you have to take a panel, and you have to put a groove in the face, down that panel, the same as you got a groove in these poly panels. It's that same depth. This is how you determine where to put the groove in the face panel for a T-intersection. It's the same as on the side, same setback. That panel with the groove in goes on the face. Goes on the face. And now you can see what the grooves are for. Because this stud sticks right into the face. There. Now we just created a T-intersection. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run screws into here, into the face of these studs on each side. Now you just start building the next wall. This is what the T-intersection looks like when the wall is continued. This is your backside panel. The only thing that changes on building a T-intersection is this back panel. If it's a 6-inch wall, it's 2 inches smaller. If it's a 10-inch wall, you have to make it 2 inches bigger by putting an extra stud in the middle and 2 splice pieces. The C-channel goes on top and finishes off everything.